All right, moving on now to the coronavirus here in Connecticut. While our state continues to be a leader in the U.S., the latest numbers are a little concerning.
That's right. 136 more people tested positive out of nearly 11,000 tests. That puts the positivity rate over 1%, where it's been for a week now.
And 7 more patients were hospitalized, which is now bringing the total to 71 hospitalizations. And that's the highest number we've seen since July.
Meanwhile, major changes are coming for out-of-state travelers who are flying through Bradley International Airport.
Channel 3's Aya Galal tells us why people from high infection states may have a shorter quarantine here in Connecticut. So, Aya, how is this going to work?
Good morning, Nicole and Eric. Yeah, Governor Ned Lamont says that if travelers coming to Connecticut from a state with a high infection rate have a negative coronavirus test 3 days before coming here, they don't have to worry about self-quarantining for 2 weeks. Travelers would have to test negative for coronavirus 72 hours before arriving in Connecticut. The travel advisory applies to any person arriving from a state with a positive test rate higher than 10 per 100,000 residents, or a state with a 10% or higher positivity rate over a 7-day rolling average. We also learned that passengers might soon be tested at Bradley Airport. Airport officials say Bradley is looking into setting up testing on site, either in a parking lot or a terminal. The airport does have a relationship with a testing lab, but wants to make sure they have appropriate resources before setting up on-site testing. Passengers we spoke with at the airport this morning say they think it's a good idea.
As long as the turnaround on the test would be relatively quickly and right away, yeah, I think that, be a little more comfortable traveling too.
This comes as Puerto Rico was added to the state's travel advisory. Several states, including California, Hawaii, and Maryland, have been removed. So those updates to the travel advisory will take effect this Friday, September 18th. And last night, Governor Ned Lamont signed that executive order allowing for fines if people are caught not wearing masks. We're live this morning at Bradley International Airport. Aya Galal, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.